Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix heating problem in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you're facing overheating issue in your device, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix heating problem in your device Infinix Hot 20.